welcome to my kitchen. If today is your first time of watching my video, kindly subscribe and share. Today I'm going to be cooking spaghetti. Here I have my spaghetti. Here I have my egg, 1 Maggi cube to taste. Here I have my shrimp. Here I have my garlic. Here I have my pepper, fresh pepper. I have pork meat. This pork meat is toasted pork meat. Here I have my cheese. I have my water on the gas. The water is boiling. I have my pan. Let's start it. First of all, I'm going to add my spaghetti on the boiled water. I'm going to put a little bit of salt. Now you gently put it inside. Now I'm going to put my olive on the pan. First of all, I'm going to add my garlic. I'm going to add my shrimp to fry. So I'm going to allow this to fry. This is my spaghetti. I'm going to stir it. I'm going to allow it to cook for 12 minutes. Now this is my egg. I'm going to break the egg. I'm going to use the yolk. I'm using the yolk. Now I'm going to add it. Now in this yolk, I'm going to add my black pepper. This is my black pepper. I'm going to add my cheese. This is my cheese. Now I'm going to stir. Now I'm going to slice my pork meat. I'm going to slice it. You can use any meat of your choice if you are not eating pork meat. This is what I want to use. I'm going to cut it a little bit. Now I'm going to stir my shrimp. think I need more oil. Now I'm going to stir my spaghetti. I'm going to be slicing this. I'm going to stir it again. Now I'm going to be adding my pork meat. To fry. Now I'm going to have my pepper. Now I'm going to add one Maggi cube. Now I'm going to add the spaghetti inside this plate, the pan. Now I'm going to stir it. I'm going to add a little bit of water. Now I'm going to add the egg and the cheese I mixed together. I'm going to add it now. I'm going to stir it. I'm going to test it. Let me taste it if there is salt. This thing delicious. Sweet. Now I'm going to stir it. This is spaghetti. You can try this in your house with your family. Please, if you like what you saw, please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for joining me. Bye.